Yeah, my family, yeah, my friends, yeah, my fans. Today we had some salt mackerel, some boiled dumpling, some boiled banana and corn. You don't know the things that. Yeah, man, we now go run down today with us our boil the salt mackerel. So see it now. Clean up the salt mackerel. Put little sea salt in the pot for the boiled dumpling, banana and corn. Yeah, man, I don't know the things that. See that? Throw the flour in at the pan now, cause I make me dumpling. I don't know what's from dumpling I make. Cornmeal after in I eat. Yeah, man, so I put in the cornmeal. And it, we add some salt in for the dumpling. Don't know the thing set. Add some water. And first you don't know it and have to clean. Well clean properly. So see it then now. Flour dough are going good. So then now pot a boil up ready to receive the flour. Yeah man, so see it then now I make the flour. You know it's about a week or two I don't make no flour. So they have to brush up. Yeah man, so see it there. Flour come on good set speed same way. Sort out the flour for the water. Yeah, man. So see them here one night. But I don't know, so them here, I know the cartwheel, now them here more like the donut. Them here more like the spear tire. Yeah, man. We don't go cartwheel today because we busy. Yeah, man. So see them here drop our next one now the pot. Water well hot. Yeah, man. So see there a couple dumpling now the pot that like about 7 or something there so. About 4 me mash up still. See them had a couple pieces of corn in it. You don't know the thing set. So see it now, I peel my banana. I know it's about 3 months or more I peel banana. Normally I just cut it, slit it and put it in the pot. So it boil out of the skin easy. So see it now, we put some oil on the banana, some oil on the hand too. That way the stain will stick to it and that easily. Yeah man, so see it now, clean up the banana and thing. Yeah man, so we'll get it ready now for peel. Yeah man, so see it now. Yeah man, banana peeling is a technique. My granny usually peel about 20 seed of banana a day or more. Yeah man, a whole heap of banana. And flawless. Flawless she usually do with little to no effort. I mean I tell her, I need to brush up on banana peeling skill. A whole heap of people can peel banana, you know. Yeah man, so see it there. So I do me cut off the top, I cut off the bottom and slit it first. See it there now? It start off fairly good, but see it there not clean, so you don't know. But they have to use the knife and brush it up. Get it nice and clean off, get off some of the stain. Yeah man, so see it there now. That's how give me a little problem again, you know. I tell you, banana peeling is a art, man. Yeah man. Any man or woman can peel banana. I tell you. Them not do it 1 or twice. Them have to do it over the years to get that nice perfection and clean peeling banana. Yeah, man, especially if the banana young and not really full, 100%. Yeah, man. Clean up with the knife, you don't know the thing set. Yeah, man, so see it now, pot a boil up nice and neat. Yeah, man, you can see the strength in a pot. Water well hot. Back in the days, we can usually give you some of this. When we sit down, she usually look on way and say, boy, you not going like you hungry. Come drink some pot soup and ketchup on the stomach until food done. So yeah, man, the pot soup look good. And the pot soup usually tastes good. Cause I that the strength then, you know. You don't know the stain and everything. Yeah, man, then the pot soup. Yeah, man, so when granny normally dash with the water, so easy. Yeah, man, if you go and drink some of that meanwhile food a boil. Yeah, man. So see it now. After salt mackerel finish cooking, you don't know, clean it up. So see the red, gold, and green vegetable in a pot. We have sweet pepper, we have scallion, we have thyme, we have garlic, we have some onion. Yeah, man. So I'm going to saute it said speed. If you know what I mean. Yeah, man, use the spatula and move it around nice and easy. Yeah, man, see it there. Yeah, man, so I'm going for the salt mackerel right there, so, you know. So I'll come back, you know, if you had the salt mackerel. As me had the salt mackerel in the pot, set speed, you don't know the thing set. Yeah, man. Salt mackerel in the pot, everything look good. Yeah, man. So we had some little water from the kettle. We had some pumpkin noodle. We had some Maggi all purpose to and a little black pepper. Yeah, man. So see the red, gold, and green, everything will come together nice. Yeah, man. Oh, wow. Look at that beauty. Yeah, man. Salt mackerel. Yeah, man. We're going to go for the rundown today, guys. If the bone where they night joke my 5-year-old son, I'm going to speak French. I'm not ready for him speak French yet. Especially if he name the hot pepper the too. So I'm going to put the hot pepper to the side to put it on my plate. Yeah, man. Yeah, my family, yeah, my friends, yeah, my friends. It's a good look. Yeah, man, this tastes well good to me, not lie. Especially with the hot pepper straight from yard. Yeah, man, this was so flavorful. Oh, savorful. I don't know, like the stain at the back. But the girl them TikTok, so get a banana it. I never pressure the can too much. I just have a little piece. And as I said, mash up about 4 of the donut them, you know. I never cartwheel. I just a little spirit type dumpling. Yeah, man. Yeah, my family. Yeah, my friends. Yeah, my fans. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. I'm out. See you soon.